That is so nice of you to explain all these things that we come across: body, mind, emotions, behavior. Sun ke matlab, you know, we really land up in stress only now. But anyways, these are some of the things that we can overcome also. So now, thank you for doing the honors, Deepika. I'm starting now with my slide. Okay, so I will start the slide from here. Ma'am, there are two things. Normally we say mindful or mindful. Mindful hota hai, beja fry hota hai. So what is mindful? See, you can see over here, all these things make a mindful. एंड यहाँ पर एक कुत्ता अपने आप को मतलब क्या सोचेगा, मतलब वो उसका माइंड में कुछ भी नहीं है, खाली है. He does his all his duties very perfectly. But look at us, car lena hai, ghar lena hai, we have to cook in the morning, we have to run to the school, we have to take online classes. So look at our minds, it's full. So we will have to decide whether our mind have to be full or mindful. So there is a difference between these two things. So mindfulness, what all should we what all should it cater for a mindfulness? First of all, we need to have positive thinking. Positive thinking is one of the biggest factor that we are going to have with which is correlated with mindfulness. So in order to have this particular concept, which is mindfulness, first is positive thinking. Second is involve yourself in gardening. As you grow plants, you will feel really happy. Aapka stress, your stress level will be vanished. You will not be able to witness your stress level. Chat with your friends. Before we could come to the meeting, we three of them were there. Instead of concentrating on something else, we really had to cool ourselves. We were really chatting. It was really a very good sign that your levels, it comes down. You are not stressed anymore. Cook and feed your, your family members with a new recipe. Take the dog for a walk. Keep yourself open minded. Forgive. So, what happens over here, forgive? I remember once my teacher used to say, whatever happens, don't feel for it. Just try to forgive. You know what happens is, हम जो ये basket है, kitchen में जो waste basket है, we keep on throwing the things out. उसको wash करके we keep it once again. So in order उससे बदबू ना आने का कारण. So now what we have to do is हमारा mind को भी we have to keep it empty. We have to forgive. We should have our mind open minded. Don't have the trash. Keep on collecting the trash. It's going to have a very filthy smell. So don't have. Smell is don't stack. Don't stack. Nobody's going to, you are the only sole person who's going to have your inner mind in a very beauty way. So forgive. If anything happens wrong, just forgive. Spend time in nature. Go to a park. कभी मतलब stars को भी गिनना शुरू करो. Star gazing, cloud gazing. Look at the clouds. You will feel like lighter. Look at the clouds moving, not on a hot sunny day, on a in the evenings. Do exercises. Walk bare feet. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Relax your mind. And the one which is more important is it does not cost you anything. Smile. So smile does not cost you anything. Give your smile and get a smile back. So over here, I have an activity for you. It's not a very big activity. You will be having your phones with you. So आपका Google search में, as being a computer teacher, I just want you to do this activity also, because the next program will be on this particular thing, how to make your PowerPoints interactive. So I will be doing that also. So this is a opening for you, and you will feel as you teach how you can involve your students also into such type of activities. So please take your mobile phones and just type in the Google search classpoint.app. You just have to write classpoint.app. It is classpoint.app in your Google search. APP. Okay. I want Deepika ma'am and I want Kirti ma'am also to do this and try and see. The next activity of the next webinar will be based on this. So if you have gone to this class point app, आपको कुछ download करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है. Just press on this class point on app that you see. It will ask for a class code. So वहां पर आपको you have to just write this code that I am underlining it over here. 19146 and your name. Please do it. You will enjoy it.
At class code,
19146. I can see you people joining over here. So once everybody, please do it and see. Try and see. The question that I have asked is, what are your biggest challenges during this time? Until others join, you just soch ke rakhna. Just keep a note of the one particular word that was a challenge for you during this odd time, during the pandemic time. Have you all joined? Okay. So I'm starting over here. This will be open for 2 minutes only, and after that it gets closed. So I'm just starting. So you can start now. So I can see Britati ma'am, Sudipta ma'am, Mini, Usha, Arumita, Deepika, Kirti, Kumod. Please join.
So Mala ma'am, can you see the responses as well?
That will be after I close the submission.
Okay.
So can I close? I believe only 8 people have participated. So close submission. See, you can see. Can you see all your answers over here? What were the biggest challenges with the question? You can see getting students on board, COVID protocols, technology, Zoom, making a PPT, doing the corrections, of course, without a pen and a paper, getting attention. So all of you have answered so well. So a big clap for you from my side. Let's move on to the next slide. There's one more thing that you are going to do. There is one more thing. The same thing, you will have to go to this ClassPoint.app and once again type the class code over here. If you want, I'll have a new class code for you. One second. Okay. No, I have pressed the class code. Okay, I've changed it. So please, once again, go to ClassPoint.app and the number is 244.25. Yes, one person has joined.
Point.
So what happens is now in today's session, we are seeing something else regarding the stress related activities. But once when you start this PowerPoint in your classes, you can have these type of questions. You can have a word cloud. You can have multiple choice questions. You can have short answer questions using a simple PowerPoint that you have made. So waiting to see you all for the session. And you will really enjoy to see the answers. So 7 of them have joined. So I'm starting.
It's opening right now.
Yeah, and you will be answering. Yeah, you can. You can. What are the effects, true effects of stress? क्या क्या आप लोग फेस कर रहे हो आजकल?
Ma'am, please, class code.
Class code is 244. Thank you. It is 24425. 24425.
Thank you.
So are we done? Can I close the submission? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, see the result. It's there in front of you.
Okay.
And I'm showing the correct answer. The correct answer is D. And what was the question? The question was about the effects of stress. So आजकल हम क्या क्या lose कर रहे हैं? We are losing our hair. We are going bald. We are getting spasmodic pains in the neck and shoulders. Our BP level has increased. Most of them are diabetic. All of the above. So maximum people know what are the effects of the stress. So if you have written only one point, okay, fine. That is also right. This is a part of our answer. So there is no denial for this. So you are right in one way. See, ma'am, how interactive this particular thing is and how we are going to deal with the students also matters. And one more thing, it's the same thing. This is a very this is a question that you will only certain people will know the answers. From a 2013 study of happiness, which country ranks the first place in life satisfaction? Whether it's Brazil or Switzerland or Denmark or United States, you just have to answer. We are not going to do the grading or anything. Once again, please log on to the ClassPoint app and have this class code and just answer. It's fun. I'm sorry. Okay, you can do it once again. Please. Yeah. For all those who do not know the class code, it is the same class code, 24425. So hope everybody has answered. I'm just closing the submission. I'll wait for some more time. It's 22 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds ho gaya. Can I stop, ma'am? All right. So,
Yes.
yes. So I've shown the answer. Yes, of course, most of you have got the right answer. The answer is Denmark. And, you'll be surprised to see US, 1%, 8% of them, like one person has replied as US. That I suppose that was the last answer, United States. But United States stood 17th place. 17th place. So it's a very nice thing to hear that most of you have given the right answer. It is Denmark. It is Denmark. So here we continue with the slides. So how did you like this particular thing?
Ma'am. Very nice app, ma'am. Very good.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Okay. Now, we have no time for doing all these things, but you can take a pic of whatever I'm showing. This is called as a perceived stress scale. And you will give your own points to it, and you will see what is your score and how much of stress are you in. So there are 10 questions. Just take a pic of it, and you can do it at your own free time. So some of the questions are asked in last month, how often you have been upset because of something that happened unexpectedly. We all teachers undergo this. In the last month, how often have you felt nervous and stressed? Even till date, even now, today, this second, most of us are feeling nervous. We are feeling stressed. कभी वेबिनार चलाना है तो मतलब कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स की वजह से मतलब डर भी लगता है. We are afraid. We get nervous. How much confidence is there within us? So I move on to the next slide, and you can determine your perceived stress scale with these points. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is the reverse one now, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So you can add, or you can have the marks like this, and you can see the ranging 0 to 13 kya hoga, low stress hai. If you're 14 to 26, you are moderate stress. 27 to 49, you have a high perceived stress. So the stress levels can be calculated with this particular slide that I had shown you. Now, what is teacher mental well-being? Now, let's come. It's a very short thing that I have to conclude. 5 ways to have a well-being. So it is just like our hand. Connect. One finger shows the connect. Take notice. Keep learning. Be active and give. See, we as teachers, we just run at the back of something. Are we living a very happy life? It's a big question mark. Some might be, but approximately 98% are not. because they don't take time for themselves. First of all, we should understand as teachers that we are important. We are important, and it is very necessary for us to take our own time. Why is self-care essential? तो हम घर आते वक्त हमारा मोबाइल फोन्स को रिचार्ज करने के लिए रिचार्ज करते हैं. एक मिशन को जितना हाउ मच ऑफ टाइम दैट वी आर डिवोटिंग, हाउ मच ऑफ माइंड दैट वी आर स्पेंडिंग ऑन अ मिशन, we are not spending on ourselves. We are not thinking of how we will be getting recharged. What is our self-care? So recharge of our own self is also it is also an important one that we have to go through. Cleaning mind, just like I said, we have to empty the basket then and then. Clean the mind and take care of yourself while taking care of others, because this is the most important thing that we teachers always don't take care of ourselves. So please adhere to certain things like this. Give yourself your self-care. Connect with all those people around you, with your children. They need you. Family, your friends, your students. Connect with them. Make them happy. Do not connect in these modes. You know, there was an interesting thing that I had witnessed in one of the groups that we are in, AIEF or somewhere. I just forgot which group was it. I'm not able to say which group was it. There was a birthday of a particular person, and that person had said happy birthday. The other person had wished a friend happy birthday to you in the group. And slowly kya ho gaya tha, after some time, somebody pressed happy birthday. Suppose if Veena has said happy birthday to Shreya, now after some time, वीना को हैप्पी बर्थडे सारे कर रहे थे, श्रेया को भूल गए थे. People don't see. If it is a rip statement, everybody writes rip. Are we connecting in these modes? No. Please don't connect in the modes that has been crossed. Don't connect yourself with your friends in a WhatsApp by just saying, okay, you will become okay, you will be fine. Don't say all these things through your text messages or through your Facebook videos or through email. They need you. Your friends, your relatives, your children, they need you. Please go and connect in this particular form. And always be active. Always be active. So be activists. First of all, step outside of your house with all the codes, house codes. And during this pandemic, there is no maid also coming to our place. We stopped them. We are doing all the brooming, all the cleaning of vessels, washing everything. So we do not have time to just go outside. Step outside of your home. Do some stretches. Go for cycling if you have a cycle. Do gardening, dance, sing. So all these makes you feel good. Be active. So all these pictures relate to how you become very active. So these are some of the points that for the goals to stay positive: practice mindfulness, prepare a plan ahead, keep a folder of the kind notes of feedback from the students and the parents, keep a notebook of inspirational quotes. Aajkal notebook rakhne ka zarurat nahi hai. You have everything in your system itself. You can have a particular place where you can store all the inspirational quotes, or you can just Google and get all the inspirational quotes. Record your voice and see how many of you have done. Record our own voice. Sometimes it might look very childish, but just listen to it. Sing a song, do a podcast, and see. Check your voice. Oh, I was singing. I was getting the first prize in my college days. Now I stopped singing. Okay, go for a ride. Just listen to your voice. You can soothe your own self. Your voice can soothe your own self. Do a good turn daily. That is helping. Do a good turn in the self. किसी का चप्पल दूसरी जगह पर है, उठा के रख लो. किसी को पेंसिल चाहिए तो पेंसिल दे दो. When you walk out, if a dog is not having anything to eat, just give a biscuit to that dog. Do at least one particular good turn daily. When you're feeding a cow, you're feeding a dog, you are doing any good turn, you're making a blind person cross the road. All these small things have to be preserved by us. They are all very good memories. So take notice of all these things. Give attention to the things around you. Appreciate others. Appreciate yourself. Look at a rainbow, a bird, the sceneries that you find around you, the stars, the moon. Preserve the moment. and start learning many things. As such, during the pandemic, we people all are here thanks to Matthew sir for the AIEF platform. We people are learning such a lot. Come out of your horizons. Come and start learning all these things. Learn new skills, music, yoga, new recipes, rediscover an old interest. You wanted to learn knitting, go to YouTube, start from the scratch how to learn knitting. Everything is there. What all do you want to have? Everything is there. Learning makes you confident and more self-esteem. Give others a positive feeling, and it makes us more satisfied with our day-to-day life. And towards the last, all these smiley flowers tell you that always keep smiling and give a smile, because it costs nothing. If you have a frowning face in front of a dog, the dog also will look at you and bark. So it is better to give a smile and get the smile. And what do you infer from these matchsticks? There are 4 matchsticks which are burnt, and it was all in a row. Imagine that these burnt matchsticks are the negatives. Suppose if I placed this particular matchstick over here, what would have happened? All these things will have been burnt. But because I have pulled one out of the row, there are many other positive things which are left for me. It has not got spoiled. So it takes time to come out of negativity, but we need to come out of it. Once we are out, things turn positive. So what had happened? Out of the 4, the 5th one was just pulled out. It has come out of the negativity, and all the positive things will come to you. And there are many resources. These resources you might not know. All these are in Google Play Store. You have Happify. Happify type karna Play Store pe. You will get all these resources. I need not say Smiling Mind hai, Reach Out, Breathe hai, Track Your Happiness hai, Relax Meditation, 365 Gratitude, Mood Notes, Happify, Reach Out, Worry Time. All these are apps. You can go and have a look of it in your Play Store. It is there in your mobile only. And the last and foremost is never lose hope, because we were dealing with stress. A diamond is a piece of coal that did very well under stress. So please don't forget. So once when you are under stress, that means you're going to come out as a diamond. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Deepika ma'am and Mala ma'am. That was so nicely put. Deepika ma'am, you created an awareness about the stress that the teachers are having, and Mala ma'am gave such nice tips. Let me first ask our audience what tips they are using for their care, They should also give some tips to us. Maybe something different from what Mala ma'am has told. Yeah. Yeah, I too also play with my kid, and then we laugh a lot at night. But then working with you, we have found that कि आप जो है बहुत enjoy करते हो दीपिका मैम. हमारा भी collaboration बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है. और माला मैम इतने जोक्स क्रैक करती हैं, तो मुझे तो अभी लगने लगा था कि हाँ, हमें टीचर स्ट्रेस में हैं कि नहीं है. तो
Enjoyed the session.
Yeah. अभी सेशन अभी चलेगा, अभी आप लोगों की एक्टिविटीज करानी है, हमने खाली
नहीं,
बोल
नहीं,
बोल
एक
के
ही
नहीं भेजेंगे
activity है।
आपको, वहीं सामने कराएंगे हम,
एक
खाली बोल
एक ही
बोल के सब
एक्टिविटी
भूल
है,
जाएगा।
डरो मत. It is only for you because you completely we people are towards the mobiles and आजकल मतलब we are towards all these online things and continuous classes and and as we are continuously sitting for hours together, we need some sitting exercises. I'm not asking you, we are not, Kirti ma'am is not asking you to run or do a special type of yoga. It is only a relaxation exercise. You will start feeling good after each class. So over to you, Kirti ma'am, please.
हाँ, एक बारी सबके वो स्ट्रेटेजीज तो पूछ लें, सब लोग क्या क्या करते हैं अपने लिए।
हाँ, आपका व्यूज भी आप लास्ट में बता सकते हो, तो उससे पहले कीर्ति मैम आप एक्सरसाइजेस जरा शुरू कर देना।
एक्सरसाइजेस स्टार्ट करा दें, अच्छा चलिए ठीक है, फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं। हाँ
मैम, हम तो दिल्ली में हैं, वी आर इन स्कूल ओनली, लाइक स्टूडेंट्स डोंट कम,
Sudeepa
but
ma'am,
we
it's
are
my
in school.
mistake. Maybe I forgot to correct the name. She has
Yes, ma'am.
got it.
Bratati ma'am, please. You were saying
Yeah.
something. Please say.
Yeah, I was saying that in Delhi, like we go to school, teachers go to school and we take our online classes from school. So
that's right.
we meet our teachers and all that has relaxed us a lot. But before that, it was a terrible situation. But ever since we started going to school, we meet our colleagues. I think it has eased out the stress level to a good many counts. So in that way, happy. I don't know how long that will continue because we are again in a sort of semi-lockdown conditions.
Yes,
So
going
just,
out
yeah.
from the house after lockdown is a great stress buster.
Ma'am, as such,
बाहर निकले
I suddenly wanted to ask you people, are there any singers in our this particular webinar? Why don't we sing and just see? Anyone who's a very good singer or a very bad singer, that does not matter.
माला
Any
मैम,
one
अभी
song.
आपने टिप बताई थी कि आप रिकॉर्ड करो अपनी वॉइस. आई थिंक मालिनी मैम had written that she has already recorded now, and then somebody also
Ma'am, if
wrote
anyone
कि
is having a
डांस भी
beautiful
रिकॉर्ड किया है.
voice, any beautiful voice for singing, please start करो. हम भी मतलब follow करेंगे. It'll be a nice thing. Like we can let out our
Collective
spirits
singing
also.
है ना?
Anyone who would
Which
like to take the
language?
honors on
Which
any
language?
any
ये
language.
ब्यूटीफुल फेसेस हम बहुत सारे देख ही नहीं पा रहे जिनके कैमरास ऑफ है. एक
Okay.
स्माइली फेस है और
They are all our students.
Malini
हमारे
ma'am
बच्चे
can
भी ऐसे
start
करते हैं.
singing.
चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ हम भी न हो, आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार प्यार चले एक ऐसे गगन के तले.
वेरी नाइस
Superb.
मालिनी मैम.
Nice initiative. Nice initiative. Bratati ma'am, Malini ma'am, Sudeepa ma'am, everybody. I saw these three people singing because others तो मुझे मेरे सामने दिख नहीं रहे हैं. तो
ऐसे से हम सेशन करेंगे तो हम भूल जाएंगे कि हम स्ट्रेस में. सही हो जाएगा, कर लेंगे ऐसा वाला.
नहीं, look at the smiling faces. It gives you great joy to see it because I said smile is the only thing. It's free of cost. You can give and you take it. So look at all. I can see all 6, 7 smiling faces over here. We are all smiling. हमारा stress
सुदीपा
है
मैम
वो
has
दूर हो
written भी
जाएगा.
हम होंगे कामयाब. तो obviously
Sure,
हम
sure,
होंगे.
sure.
We are the winners.
Sure. Yes, ma'am. Kirti ma'am.
So
So
we
can
have
we
to.
start?
Yeah, we are in the session. चलिए एक बार सब लोग थोड़ा सा योगा यहीं सिटिंग वाला इसलिए कर रहे हैं हम कि कभी भी आप स्कूल में या घर में हैं, ऑनलाइन हम बैठे होते हैं, उठ करके जाना भी पॉसिबल नहीं होता. और स्पेशली अगर वो प्रिंसिपल्स हैं तो बिल्कुल ही मीटिंग्स एंड मीटिंग्स एंड मीटिंग्स, इवन टीचर्स क्लासेस एंड क्लासेस एंड क्लासेस. तो कई बार हम उठते ही नहीं है, तो एटलीस्ट वी कैन हैव सर्टेन सिटिंग एक्सरसाइजेस जो हम वहीं चेयर पे बैठे बैठे कर लें विद दैट 5 मिनट ब्रेक. सो आई थिंक लेट्स स्टार्ट. पहले ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज से स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो अगर बाकी लोग कैमरा ऑन कर लेंगे तो बड़ा अच्छा लगेगा. नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो चलिए.
They will do it. They will do it.
चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज. 4 मिनट्स 4 सेकंड्स का हम इनहेल करेंगे, फिर 4 सेकंड्स होल्ड करेंगे, फिर देन 4 सेकंड्स वी विल एक्सहेल. अगर हाइपरटेंशन या कोई प्रॉब्लम है देन डू नॉट होल्ड द ब्रेथ, सिंपली इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल. स्टार्ट. 1 2 3 4. Inhale. 1 2 3 4. Hold. 1 2 3 4. ऐसे 5 times will inhale. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. बेसिकली जब आप ये कर रहे हो तो आप जस्ट बी अवेयर कि आपकी जो ब्रीदिंग है, ब्रेथ है, वो कहाँ तक जा रही है. इट शुड गो डीप इनसाइड. सिर्फ आपको लंग्स तक ना ले.
Kirti ma'am, 1 second. Please don't move away. Please, I'm sending a link for you. As such, I had very nice participants over here. So you will be getting the certification also. Please do fill also towards the end. I'm just sending after this, please.
ओके माला मैम. बट व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग कि आप लोग जो है इसको ब्रेथ को सिर्फ लंग्स तक ना लेकर के डीप यू टेक इट टू योर एब्डोमेन एंड यू बी अवेयर कि वो कहाँ तक जा रही है. दिस इज द इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ काइंड ऑफ माइंडफुलनेस. जो भी आप कर रहे हो, फील द टेंशन. कौन से बॉडी पोर्शन पे टेंशन जा रहा है. अभी हम सिटिंग करेंगे तो जिस आप हम नेक की करेंगे, आईज की करेंगे, आर्म्स की करेंगे. जस्ट फील द टेंशन ओवर देयर. क्योंकि अगर मैंने देखा है लोगों को बाहर योगा करते हैं या कुछ भी करते हैं, देन दे कीप टॉकिंग, जोक्स क्रैक कर रहे हैं या उस दिन की एक्टिविटीज वो लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. देन डोंट डू दैट. सिंपली जस्ट फील द वेयर दैट टेंशन इज गोइंग. जो मसल्स कहाँ पर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो रही हैं और कहाँ पर वो रिलैक्स हो रही हैं. Then you be aware about your body. Okay, so now let's do the eyes exercise. Eyes के लिए we'll rotate our eyes round and round, right to left and left to right. We'll start with right to left, 5 times right to left. ये अभी तो हम ये डेमो है. जब आपको जितना टाइम मिले इतनी ज्यादा इनको फॉलो करिए. अगर जो भी आपके जहां पर भी बॉडी पार्ट्स में प्रॉब्लम है, आप 50 राउंड्स, 100 राउंड्स you can do in a day. After every 30 minutes break you should start. Let's do the eyes exercise from right to left. Close your eyes. Open. Then left to right. जितना दूर से दूर देख सकते हैं उतना देखिए. Close your eyes. Open. You have to see here and then here. आपको यहाँ पर ध्यान आईज लेकर जानी है, फिर नीचे यहाँ लेकर आनी है, बिल्कुल क्लोज में. 5 times. Close eyes. फार राइट में देखिए मैम. फार राइट में जाइए, फिर फार लेफ्ट में जाइए. बीच में एक बार क्लोज करिए. फार राइट में जाने के बाद बीच में क्लोज आईज एंड देन गो टू फार लेफ्ट. देन क्लोज आईज, गो टू फार राइट. 5 rounds.
Deepika ma'am, please take screenshots also.
Close eyes. Now another one is you have to see far away up and then far down left. From right to left you have to move your eyes. जितना आप दूर ले जा सकते हैं नजर को. Then close the eyes. Maybe left and right diagonally you have to watch. You must be feeling the strain in your eyes. क्योंकि एक्सरसाइज की आदत नहीं है और वो कॉन्टिन्यूअसली हम लोग उसमें देखते रहते हैं स्क्रीन पे. वो स्ट्रेन फील होता है. इनको अगर हम रेगुलर करते रहेंगे तो ये स्ट्रेन चला जाएगा. हमारी जो साइडवेज का जो विजन है वो थोड़ा बढ़ जाएगा. Close eyes. Open your eyes and then let's do this one. इसमें एक ही पॉइंट पे आप चाहे कोई पेंसिल ले सकते हैं, अपना थंब ले सकते हैं, कुछ भी आप ले सकते हैं, या सामने किसी पॉइंट पे आप देख सकते हैं, आप फोकस कर सकते हैं. Now you take something and then do it. इस पॉइंट पे ही आपने नेक नहीं मूव करनी है, सिर्फ इस पॉइंट को आपने ये आप मूव करते जाइए और उस पे आप अपनी नजर चलाते जाइए. आपका साइड का विजन आपको बताएगा कि आप कितना देख पा रहे हैं और कितना आईज पे स्ट्रेन पड़ रहा है. नेक मूव नहीं होनी चाहिए बिल्कुल भी. मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि दीपिका मैम और माला मैम कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. ये आलस कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए ये हमने करवाया है. खाली बोलने से नहीं होगा. इससे मैंने बोला ना, खाली बोलने से नहीं होता है, करना पड़ेगा. Five times do this both sides.
कीर्ति मैम, हम लास्ट में ना क्लैप हैंड्स एक्सरसाइज करेंगे.
हाँ श्योर माला मैम. आप एक ही साइड पे 5 बार या जितनी बार इकट्ठे कर सकते हैं, फिर दूसरी साइड पे आप इसको ही कंटिन्यूअस एक ही साइड पे कर सकते हैं, देन दूसरी साइड पे कर सकते हैं. कितना आपको लग रहा है, कितना दूर देख पा रहे हैं?
काफी दूर. लेफ्ट में तो आई कैन सी लॉट.
And you have to maintain the point also. उसी पॉइंट पे हमने देखते रहना.
Meantime, can I send the forms now, Deepika ma'am, because it's getting late for some people. I can see, yeah, people. Yeah, those were in
Chin
emergency.
exercises. हाँ.
Yeah.
ठीक है, चिन एक्सरसाइज करते हैं जो थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर ऑनलाइन में इट मे लुक ऑड, बट देन जिनका डबल चिन है या कुछ भी है, मसल्स का एक्सरसाइज है. ये आपको लोअर जॉ को आगे लाना है, पीछे ले जाना है. लोअर जॉ को अपने आगे लाना है. देख पा रहे हैं?
शिफ्ट करना है.
हाँ, आगे लो, पीछे ले जाओ थोड़ा सा. अपर जॉ तो होगा नहीं मूव, लोअर जॉ होगा. But this thing you do not do in your office.
Others might feel making faces.
No, others will be stress free.
Stress.
No, because
अगर आपने हाँ सबको हंसाना है तो आप करिए, कोई
नहीं,
दिक्कत नहीं है.
बाकियों का स्ट्रेस हट जाएगा आपको देखिए.
फेस के स्माइलिंग आपने करनी है, आपने फेस मसल्स करने हैं, आप उसको करिए, ऐसे करिए. This is the face. उनमें आप मसल्स को आप कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, रिलैक्स करते हैं. करिए और ऑफिस में भी करिए, सब हंसेंगे और करेंगे भी आपके साथ. आईज को भी ऐसे करिए. Do it 5 times. चलिए नेक का करते हैं. नेक का करते हैं.
That is the most important one. Yeah.
हाँ, जिसमें क्योंकि पेपर चेकिंग और अब कंप्यूटर पे बैठने के बाद बहुत ज्यादा ये स्टार्ट हो गया प्रॉब्लम. तो वैसे भी पेपर चेकिंग करते हैं तब भी इतना हो जाता है आगे झुक झुक के. Do it 5 times. आप इसको कई 100 टाइम्स करिए, दिन में बार बार करिए. नहीं, दिस इज अ नेसेसिटी. इट इज ये करना है. फ्रंट से चलिए, साइडवेज जितना स्ट्रेच हो सकता है. अभी आपने यहाँ राइट साइड में अपना ये 45 डिग्रीज पे टिल्ट करिए और यहाँ से ऐसे पकड़ लीजिए एंड फील द स्ट्रेच ओवर हियर. यू विल फील द स्ट्रेच. होल्ड करिए थोड़ी देर, जितनी देर आपको अच्छा लगता है. देन यू टर्न द अदर साइड, थोड़ा टिल्टेड, फील द स्ट्रेच दिस साइड. ऐसे स्ट्रेच करिए अपने आप को पूरा, बैठे बैठे. जितनी देर आपको अच्छा लगे करिए. बस दर्द नहीं आपको होना चाहिए बॉडी में, पता चले कि दर्द बढ़ा लिया. अच्छा लग रहा है करके? ये करते हैं शोल्डर्स के लिए. अप एंड डाउन, अप एंड डाउन, अप एंड डाउन, अप एंड डाउन. दीपिका मैम की तो रिकॉर्डिंग ही चल रही है, कुछ नहीं कर रही है.
करती मैं हूँ, मैं यहाँ
ये
पर
देख रही है, मजे कर रही है. करिए. हाँ हाँ, एक्सक्यूजेस बना लो आप.
मैं कर रही हूँ ना, मैं अच्छी बच्ची हूँ.
हाँ हाँ,
नहीं नहीं, मैं ये भी कर रही हूँ. यस.
तो दिस ऐसे ज्वाइन करिए यहाँ पे, ये एल्बोस को भी, एल्बोस को
आएगा.
पूरा ज्वाइन करके लाइए. और पूरा ये आप अपना पूरा ब्रीदिंग इनहेल करिए, आप पूरा जस्ट एंड लंग्स ऐसे स्प्रेड आउट हो रहे हैं. नाउ अनदर वन इज, अगर फ्रोजन शोल्डर है तो धीरे धीरे आप उसको ट्राई करिए. और
See how efficient we are. We have taken the doctor's job also today. Teaching yoga and you know.
मैम टीचर्स को तो गॉड का दर्जा मिला हुआ है, चाहे बाय चॉइस आए हैं चाहे बाय चांस आए हैं, बट ये तो हमारा है.
No, God has given
भगवान का
many
दर्जा है.
hands to us.
करिए स्ट्रेच पीछे जो आप कर सकते हैं आराम से. अगर बॉडी में दर्द है तो कम करेंगे या उतना ही करेंगे जितना कर सकते हैं.
I'm very
जबरदस्ती
happy to
करेंगे तो
see.
पता चलेगा.
I'm very happy to see the only sole person, Mr. Ahmed Shakil, doing the exercises. It's so mind blowing to see him. Yeah, actually very sincere, and he's doing. Yeah.
सुनो, बाकी सारे भी सिंसियर हैं. सुदीपा मैम को देखो.
No, हमारा focus इसीलिए जा रहा है because he's the only male member over here, and in spite of it, he is doing all these things. So the applaud for him is there.
मेल टीचर्स का भी रिक्वायरमेंट तो है ही ना. जितना ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं एल्बोस को करिए, नहीं कर सकते जितना आपका जाता है. ऑपोजिट. आप ऐसे ऐसे करके आप अपने आर्म्स को स्ट्रेच करिए. फ्रोजन शोल्डर भी है तो आप धीरे धीरे करिए. बस आपका पेन ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि बढ़े. धीरे धीरे जितना आपकी बॉडी अलाउ करे वो धीरे धीरे ही बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. ऑपोजिट. सिर्फ हम कंधों को भी ऐसे ऐसे राउंड राउंड पूरा नहीं, अगर हमें घुमाना है. जिनको भी नेक एंड शोल्डर का पेन है उनको कम से कम 100, मैं कहती हूँ 500, जितना भी हम कर सकते हैं उतना एक में करना ही है. उससे क्या होगा, ये धीरे धीरे ठीक भी हो जाएगा और इनकी स्ट्रेंथ बहुत बढ़ जाएगी शोल्डर्स की. चलिए यहाँ से करते हैं.
Deepika ma'am, do this at least.
बहुत मजे ले रही हूँ. ये स्पेशली हमने इसलिए रखा था कि हम करेंगे, खाली बोलेंगे नहीं.
हाँ.
खाली बोल के फिर भूल जाते हैं बाद में.
हाँ जी.
कि करेंगे करेंगे. ये अंदर लाइए, बाहर ले जाइए. अंदर लाइए, बाहर ले जाइए. साइडवेज.
Deepika ma'am,
ये वो देखो कितना प्यार कर रहा है, आपने एक एक्सरसाइज करी तो कितना खुश हो गया।
nothing of that
उसको भी
sort.
कराओ,
You will have to take him out. That is the problem now.
उसको
Take
भी
him for a
कराओ।
walk.
क्या बुलाएं हम इसको, आवाज लगाएंगे तो बोलेगा ना फिर।
हाँ, give something and take something. This exercise is very nice.
माला मैम तो कितनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें करती है ना, मैं आप लोगों को बता रही हूँ, हम लोगों ने जो इकट्ठे किया है ना, हंस हंस के हम पागल हो जाते हैं। ऐसे साइडवेज भी हम कर सकते हैं।
अब पड़ोसी को देना अब।
चलिए माला मैम, आपके वाला करते हैं जो आप कह रहे हो, हैंड्स वाली एक्सरसाइज, हैंड्स
हाँ,
क्लैप।
हाँ, yeah. Thank you so much. It was so nice of you, such type of participants. You know, so claps for our own self.
जोर से करना है ऐसे, ये सारे पॉइंट्स पे ये प्रेशर पॉइंट्स मिलाने हैं ऐसे
हाँ,
वाला
ये भी
clap।
एक योगा टाइप ही है। जितना आप क्लैप करोगे ना, उतना ब्लड सर्कुलेशन आपका इंप्रूव होगा।
जोर जोर से। अभी हम घर में खूब शोर मचाएंगे। हम लोग सुबह करते हैं तो उसमें भजन भी इसके टाइम होता है, जब ये करते हैं हम उस टाइम, और उसमें सारे प्रेशर पॉइंट्स हम लोग दबाते हैं, राम 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 करके।
Anything. You can take Allah, you can take Jesus Christ, you can take Ram.
वो
Anything.
भजन होता है ना, तो फिर वो करते हैं। हाँ,
Thank you so much. Special thanks to Ahmed Shakil sir. Nice to have you here today.
smiling faces. Oh my goodness.
You can have your pout, you can have your heart.
ये वाली एक्सरसाइज नहीं कराई मैंने, देखो।
यार मेरा हार्ट तो मतलब एक रेक्टेंगल बन गया, क्या करूं? ओके। नहीं, see how nicely. अच्छा,
आप सुदीपा मैम का तो फेस छुप गया, थोड़ा साइड अप अपना हार्ट।
हार्ट यहाँ पर लेके आओ मैम, यहाँ पर। या
तो मैं भी बना लूं क्या? कैसे बनाना है? मैं तो ये
चीज। अच्छा, one more thing I forgot to say. स्ट्रेस को अगर आप नो स्ट्रेस को नो स्ट्रेस्ड को उल्टा पढ़ो, क्या आ रहा है?
स्ट्रेटस
डेजर्ट बनता है, लिख के तो पढ़ लो। डेजर्ट बनता है, डेजर्ट, नॉट वो डेजर्ट। यस।
मुझे तो ऐसे लग रहा है मैं बुलेट मार रही हूँ आपको, कुछ और।
मैं मारूंगी गोली अब।
Yeah, ma'am, thoroughly.
प्रतीति मैम,
ये तो आप लोगों ने, माला मैम और दीपिका मैम ने मुझे चुप करा दिया, नहीं तो मैं इनसे और स्ट्रेटेजीज ले लेती।
नहीं फिर
अरे वाह।
तो हम योगा कर करके थक जाएंगे.
नहीं योगा नहीं, स्ट्रैटेजीज लेते हैं हम, हेल्दी टीचर स्टूडेंट रिलेशनशिप के स्ट्रैटेजीज लेते हैं.
No,
चलिए
it was
anyways.
marvelous, Kirti. I never guessed like also like you will be teaching this much of exercise. I thought you're a teacher, but now I understand. Yeah, we will have a separate session with you.
अरे हम लोग है ना सुबह का सेशन भी रख
And
सकते
I
हैं ना
want to
योगा का, तो
thank,
बीच में डेली जिस या संडे का है ना, सब लोग
and I want to
ज्वाइन कर
thank
लें और हम
Bratati
करें.
ma'am, Bratati
Yeah,
Roy
thank you,
Chaudhary
ma'am. Thank you,
because
ma'am.
she was the first one who attended 20 minutes earlier. We were just having the last minute sessions and we found her. Then okay, we made her come to the show.
Yeah.
Sudeepa ma'am, you are awesome. Malini ma'am, great, because Mala, Malini,
Thank
we are
you.
of the same type. So I'm just having you this side.
Today
of
I
my-
had a leave.
So-
Today I had taken a leave, and the day ended on a very positive note. That's my taking back from
Oh,
today.
thank you. That's great.
Wow.
Yeah.
And ma'am, one more thing, if you also have certain things on you would like to participate with us, you can please in the same thing, you can just yes, you can, we will have our webinars. We are all peers, like we can
Yeah,
have
yeah.
our own
Surely,
webinars
ma'am.
on a particular topic.
Hmm.
Even you being a AIF member, even you will have a grand opening. So we are all there to help you, and you help us out. I will help you, she will help you, she will help you. Everybody is there. We are just going to give our hands to you. Hold the hands tight. We are always with you.
Helping each other
Really.
releases oxytocin. I want to say. Happy hormones are released.
We have learned from our mistakes, ma'am. Like when we had the first session of AIEF, I was even trembling. I was not able to face the crowd. But now I had the confidence because I am continuously doing many things.
अभी तो माला मैम
you
1.5 घंटा
people
हंस
also.
के फिर सेशन कर लिया माला मैम ने. इतना हंस रहे थे हम थोड़ा सेशन से पहले.
आप लोग भी, ma'am, you can join us. We are there. We want people just like us. We want to do the mentorship to you also. We want you also to grow.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Excellent session.
Thank you.
And everyone can sing.
सुदीपा मैम की आवाज क्यों नहीं सुन रहे हैं हम? हाँ. वो कंप्यूटर उनको अच्छे से आ गए. ऑनलाइन क्लास. अच्छा.
You want a song now? Okay. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन, हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन.
कितनी स्वीट
We
वॉइस
shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome one day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday.
Wow, beautiful voices. Thank you so much. Happy
Thank
New
you.
Year.
Same to you. Same to all of you. Happy New Year. Yeah.
नेक्स्ट सेमिनार में, नेक्स्ट वेबिनार में आप लोग मिले तो आप अपने लास्ट ईयर के अचीवमेंट्स पूरे बताइए. 2022 2 डेज के बाद आ जाएगा तो हम लास्ट ईयर के सारे अचीवमेंट्स डिस्कस करेंगे.
The last one.
वाओ. रास्ता है ये,
कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म,
ये मंजिल कौन सी, ना समझ सकते ना
हम
अजीब रास्ता है ये, शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी,
ना
ना
हो
समझ
सकते
सके
हम.
ना हम.
So that was so nice of you. We end the session over here with a
Thank you,
happy
Sudeepa
face.
ma'am. Thank you so
so
much for
much. Thank
supporting.
you.
Thank you, everyone. Malini